Okay, Mike here from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from Blue Gum Studios, where we're doing another part of our photo shoot. This beautiful blue 57 Chevy. It's just a gorgeous under the lights. We're just getting some stuff taken care of, taking the pictures. We're just starting to rotate it here, get some extra shots. The turntable makes this job so much easier as we can just rotate it each and every car, get the right angle, get the right shot. Seeing a pretty good demonstration of that here as we take some more pictures of this wonderful car. We've had a great bunch of people here, and just everybody's just kind of here. I'm going to pan over here, see if you can pick up these guys. This is our group over here. They've been taken in the show. These are all our participants in the photo shoot today. And they've all been good sports. We've had just got finished with lunch, and this is our first car after our lunch break. And just what an amazing car. They've all been just gorgeous looking cars. And again, these are not show cars. These are drivers. This is the only one that was trailered here. Basically just because, well, it's a work in progress. The engine's out of it, but typically it's a driver. So, just the turnout and the participation has been fantastic. The end results we're just very impressed with. Stay tuned for some more. We've got at least one more car to do after this. But we're going to bring some other cars back in and get some other shots, and maybe do some shots outside as well. We've got a neat little backdrop since we've got a red 57, a blue 57, and a black 57 two-door hardtop here. We may do some extracurricular photos outside. So stay tuned, check in, and keep an eye out for us. Again, this is Mike with Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the Blue Gum Photo Studios. And stay tuned for some more.